What's your name? My name is? Oh, it's good to meet you. Alright, Min, can you tell me what number do you see?
1,
Very good.
2, 3, 4, 5,
6.
6,
Alright.
7, 13,
13. 6, 7, 8, 9.
9.
And do you know what number is it?
10.
10.
10.
Very good. Yeah, 0, but there's a 1 here, so we make it 10, okay? Alright, Min, do you know where's number 5? Where's number 5? Where? Alright, that's good. So now, what we're gonna do is I'm gonna give you 5 numbers, and you're gonna help me organize them, okay? So, we start here. Can you close your eyes? Min, can you tell me where's number 1? Alright, can you put number 1 over here? Cool. Where's number 2? So where does number 2 go? Over here. Yeah? You just put them over here. So what number comes here?
3,
Very good. So can you put number 3 over there? Can you tell me which one is number 4? Very good. Where does 4 go? Are you learning? And what's the last number? Very good. Where does number 5 go? Alright, cool. And then, you know what is it?
book.
It's a book. Can you open the book and find something you like? Alright, we can go there. Alright, can you tell me what can you see?
See, balloon.
I see a balloon. What color is the balloon? What color is it?
Orange.
Orange, very good. And how many balloons can you see?
2,
I see. I can see more than 2 balloons. I see 1, 2, 3, 4.
2,
How many balloons? Yeah, he's got 2 balloons, but I can see 5 balloons. Alright, what animal is it? It's a cat. Do you like cats?
yeah,
Do you like to play with cats?
yeah,
Alright, what animal can you see here? What's that? Is it a caterpillar? No, it's a butterfly.
yes,
Yeah, and what about this? Is that a butterfly? Oh, very good. And is that a bee? So what is it? It's a bird.
it's a bird.
Alright, cool. And what do you like to eat here? I see some food. What do you like to eat? What are they?
Carrot.
Do you like to eat carrots?
Yeah.
That's cool. Are they yummy or yucky?
Mm.
Yummy. What about apples? Are they yummy? Yeah. And before we go, how many apples can you see? 4. Tell me, say, can you see 1, 2, or 3?
1,
3. Cool. So how many apples are there? There's 3 apples. Alright. Say bye-bye.